Ever felt like you're navigating a maze blindfolded, trying to figure out if you're even going in the right direction? Especially when it comes to business software, right? You've heard of NetSuite, maybe even use it. But have you ever stopped to wonder who's breathing down their neck? Who's the real heavyweight challenger in the ERP and cloud business management arena? See, we all know NetSuite is a big player. It's synonymous with cloud-based ERP for many mid-sized and enterprise companies. But the truth is, the market's a battleground. It's not a one-horse race. And understanding who NetSuite's main competitor isn't just about industry gossip. It's about understanding the landscape, making informed decisions for your business, and knowing where the innovation is truly happening. Think of it like this: you're building a house. You wouldn't just pick the first contractor you see, would you? You'd research, compare, and understand who brings what to the table. Same goes for your business software. It's the foundation on which you build your operations, your growth, and your future. So let's cut to the chase. Who's the main competitor of NetSuite? The answer, as many of you might suspect, is Microsoft Dynamics 365. Now, hold on a second. I know what some of you are thinking. Microsoft? Isn't that just Office? Well, yes and no. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a comprehensive suite of intelligent business applications that empowers organizations to deliver operational excellence and create more engaging customer experiences. One, it's a direct competitor to NetSuite, offering similar functionalities across ERP, CRM, and beyond. One, www.helpnetsecurity.com. www.helpnetsecurity.com. But why Microsoft Dynamics 365? What makes them the main rival? It's not just about size or brand recognition. It's about a direct clash of philosophies, feature sets, and market strategies. Let's break it down. Firstly, both NetSuite and Dynamics 365 are cloud-first platforms. This is crucial. The shift to cloud-based solutions has revolutionized how businesses operate, offering scalability, accessibility, and reduced IT overhead. Both platforms understand this and have invested heavily in their cloud infrastructure. Secondly, both platforms offer comprehensive business management capabilities. They cover everything from financial management and supply chain management to customer relationship management and project management. They aim to provide a unified platform for businesses to manage their core operations. However, the approach and the specific features within these functionalities are where the differences begin to emerge. NetSuite historically has been known for its strong financial management capabilities and its suitability for mid-sized businesses with complex financial needs. It excels in areas like multi-currency management, revenue recognition, and financial reporting. It's often seen as a robust and mature solution for companies focused on financial excellence. Dynamics 365, on the other hand, benefits from Microsoft's broader ecosystem. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products like Office 365, Power BI, and Azure. This integration provides a unified experience for users and leverages the power of Microsoft data analytics and AI capabilities. It's often seen as a more flexible and customizable platform, particularly for companies that heavily rely on the Microsoft stack. Another key differentiator is their approach to customization and extensibility. NetSuite offers SuiteScript, a JavaScript-based platform for customization. While powerful, it can require specialized skills. Dynamics 365, on the other hand, leverages the Power Platform, which allows for low-code/no-code customization. This empowers business users to create custom applications and workflows without extensive coding knowledge. This can be a significant advantage for companies looking for agility and rapid development. Furthermore, consider the industry focus. NetSuite has a strong presence in sectors like retail, manufacturing, and software. Dynamics 365, while covering these sectors, has also made significant inroads in areas like field service, project operations, and marketing. This broader industry focus can make Dynamics 365 a more attractive option for companies with diverse operational needs. Let's talk about the user experience. NetSuite's interface, while functional, can sometimes feel a bit dated. Dynamics 365, with its modern and intuitive interface, provides a more user-friendly experience. This can be a crucial factor in user adoption and productivity. And let's not forget about the ecosystem. Microsoft's vast partner network and developer community provide a wealth of resources for Dynamics 365 users. This includes pre-built solutions, integrations, and support services. NetSuite also has a strong partner ecosystem, but Microsoft's sheer scale gives Dynamics 365 an edge in terms of breadth and depth of resources. Now, it's not just about features. It's about the underlying strategy. Microsoft's strategy with Dynamics 365 is deeply intertwined with its broader cloud and AI initiatives. The company is investing heavily in AI-powered insights, predictive analytics, and automation. This allows Dynamics 365 to offer intelligent business applications that can help companies make data-driven decisions and optimize their operations. NetSuite, while also incorporating AI and automation, has traditionally focused on providing a robust and reliable platform for core business processes. Their strategy is more focused on providing a comprehensive suite of functionalities that can meet the needs of a wide range of businesses. So you might be asking, which one is better? The answer, as always, is it depends. It depends on your specific needs, your industry, your budget, and your technical expertise. If you're a mid-sized company with complex financial needs and you value a mature and robust platform, NetSuite might be the right choice. If you're a larger enterprise looking for a flexible and customizable platform that integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft ecosystem and leverages AI and data analytics, Dynamics 365 might be a better fit. Ultimately, the best way to determine which platform is right for your business is to conduct a thorough evaluation, consider your specific requirements, and consult with experts. But understanding this rivalry is crucial. It's not just about choosing software. It's about choosing a partner. A partner that understands your business, your goals, and your challenges. It's about choosing a platform that can grow with you and adapt to the ever-changing business landscape. And the competition between NetSuite and Microsoft Dynamics 365 is driving innovation. It's pushing both companies to develop new features, improve their platforms, and provide better services to their customers. This benefits everyone in the market as it leads to more powerful and user-friendly business software. Think of it like a sports rivalry. The competition makes both teams better. It pushes them to their limits, and it ultimately leads to a better experience for the fans. In this case, the fans are the businesses using these platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.